Is your child struggling in school right now? If so, I want you to know two things. First, it's not their fault. And second, you're not alone because I and many other parents have also experienced the same thing too. In this video, I'm going to share the real reasons why students fall behind and more importantly, what you as a parent can do to help them catch up quickly. So stick with me until the end because I will give you a simple action plan you can start tonight, plus a method that can make studying fun again. Most parents assume the problem is laziness, but 9 times out of 10, that's not the case. Here are the 3 hidden reasons I see most often. First, they've lost interest because lessons feel boring or outdated. Second, nobody ever taught them how to study. They're putting in the effort, but not in a way that actually works. And third, distractions. With TikTok, games, and short attention spans, it's harder than ever for students to focus. Think about it. Schools still teach the same way they did 30 years ago. Long lecture, memorization, one-size-fits-all lessons. But kids today grow up swiping screens and watching fast interactive videos. When the classroom doesn't match how they naturally learn, they tune out, and once they tune out, grades will drop. So what actually helps students catch up? Number 1, gamified learning. Turning lessons into interactive challenges with rewards keeps kids motivated. Number 2, short, focused study bursts. Instead of long, cramming sessions, 20 minutes with a break is far more effective than 2 hours a night. And number 3, personalized tools that adapt to the student's pace. When learning feels like it's built just for them, they will stay engaged. Let me share a quick story. I worked with a student who had failed 2 years in a row. Everyone thought that there was no way he could catch up. But when we introduced interactive personalized learning methods, everything changed. Within just 1 year, he not only caught up, he jumped 2 grade levels. So that's the power of finding the right approach for the child. So what can you do as a parent starting tonight? Step 1, observe. Watch for signs like avoiding homework or suddenly hating a subject. Step 2, support. Create a short structured routine, about 20 minutes of focus, then take a break. And step 3, explore. Try modern tools that are designed for today's learners, not yesterday's. So here's the truth. Struggling in school is not permanent. It's not too late for your child, and small changes can make a huge difference. If you'd like to see how this works in action, I have linked a free trial of vSchool below. Give it a try and watch your child rediscover the joy of learning. And if you found this video helpful, hit subscribe and follow for more weekly tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.